Hello, boys. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's learn grammar. Let's learn about nouns. What are nouns? Words that are used as names of persons, places, animals, or things are called nouns. For example, Sita, Geeta, Rohit, house, giraffe, pen, pencil, lion. These are the examples of nouns. There are four types of nouns: singular nouns, plural nouns, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. Let's learn in detail about singular nouns. Singular nouns names a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, boy, cat, dog, house, box, flower, etc. Let's learn about plural nouns. Plural nouns are words that name more than one person, place, animal, or thing. For example, men, cats, cows, dogs, houses, bags, boxes, etc. Boy, boys, cat, cats, house, houses, flower, flowers. There are some rules to be followed to get their plural forms. The nouns that end with ch, sh, o, s, ss, x, and z. To get their plural form, we add es: ostrich, ostriches, dish, dishes, bus, buses, princess, princesses, fox, foxes, quiz, quizzes, ox, oxen. Sometimes some words ending in o take only s in its plural form. For example, piano, pianos. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I and add es. City, cities, monkey, monkeys. You should not add here ies. You should add eys. The nouns that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form simply by adding s. For example, key, keys. The nouns that end with f or fe, to get plural form we add ves. For example, leaf, leaves. A few words do not follow the rule. For example, chef, chefs, chief, chiefs. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, sheep, sheep. A few singular nouns form their plural by changing inside a vowel or vowels. For example, teeth, tooth, women, women, calf, calves, wolf, wolves. Now let's learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are used for things that can be counted. This can be both singular and plural. For example, spoon, spoons, book, books, girl, girls, rose, roses, etc. Uncountable nouns are used for things that cannot be counted and they do not have the plural forms. For example, knowledge, wisdom, sugar, salt, etc. For example, some words like snow, snow, floor, floor, jam, jam. Countable nouns can be counted by using numbers. For example, 2 spoons, 6 students, 5 friends, 20 students, 20 boys, etc. We use some quantities before uncountable nouns. For example, much snow, some flour, a little jam. Uncountable nouns cannot be separated or counted individually. For example, patriotism, courage, knowledge, wisdom, sugar, salt, etc. Thank you. See you in the next class.